Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a real quick review of the Anyoker two-way camping chair and table. This, as you see in the picture right there, it has two ways you can utilize it. Disclaimer, I will not be setting it up at the low height. I will never use it that way. It's just to be honest, I will use that at the regular height of a chair. And it's pretty self-explanatory. It's not that hard to set it up like that. It's actually really simple. Anyway, I have another one I've done a review on, the Moon Lens. I'll leave a link in the description for that one as well, by another company. I set this up actually without even looking at the instructions. I wanted to see if people are like me sometimes. A lot of times, okay, I don't use instructions. So let's see, is this going to be difficult to set up? Can I do it without instructions? Well, guess what? I could. It really didn't take that long to do it without the instructions. And after I did it once, I guarantee you I could cut the time in at least in half. It was pretty fast. The metal is carbon fiber that it's made out of. The material for the table and the chair are both Oxford. They felt really thick and sturdy. The metal itself felt just as sturdy as the last chair I have, which is still kicking and working. The reason I bought these is I want to get rid of my big full-size chair. They take up a lot of room, and I wanted something more lightweight but convenient and comfortable that I could put in my car when I'm car camping, or I could put in my camper, and it doesn't take up any room when it's time to store the stuff, or put it underneath my storage. It could fit right in my storage areas of my camper easily too, or I could leave it permanently in my SUV. You know what I mean? So anyway, getting it out of the actual storage bag, real simple. Storage bag is not cheap either. It felt really sturdy too, so it's not going to tear on you or anything like that. Like, you know how it is with some of the tents and stuff. And just in case I forget, putting it back in the bag, both the table and the chair, was not difficult at all, and it had a carrying strap. Okay, put it together just like that. Then you're going to go ahead and just you're basically where the brand is, it's going to go upright where you could read it if you were looking forward, and then just start putting it on there. And that's basically it. And you put it on there, and yeah, it was not hard to do. It was really hot this day, by the way. It was about 90 degrees. So I'm on also, this is sped up too. There's no reason for you to watch me in real time do this and take, an extra couple minutes. It didn't take that long, but I just wanted you to see me putting it together. So it really wasn't that difficult, to be honest with you, especially for the first time doing it and never setting it up before. There we go. There's the table, and I call it a table footrest. I don't know, what would I put on there? My feet? No, I could use like to put something on there, or like my tablet, or whatever. Eat a meal or anything. I carry an extra table anyway, but having this little table like this, actually, I like it. Just and also for reference of size, I'm 6 foot, around 203, 205. So if you need to know. One thing about this chair, I do not recommend it for anyone who has difficulty getting up out of chairs. This one, you're going to, if you do have difficulty, you will know it getting out of this chair. Once you sit down in it, though, it's very comfortable. I have no issues getting up or down, but if you have issues getting up or down. Therefore, I won't recommend it to people for that. I work with seniors. I'm an advocate social worker, so I want to make sure that people know that if you do have that difficulty, this isn't going to help you out. You just need to get a full-size camping chair. But as far as this goes for compactness, it's great. I like it. It was a good buy. It was cheap. I'll leave Amazon links in the description. I have no complaints about this. I'm very satisfied with it. And that's for the chair itself. Getting the table was, to be honest with you, that was just a bonus that came with it. Also, max capacity on this is 330 pounds for the chair, I mean. So there you go. Anyoker portable camping chair and table. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good day. Frugal Panda's out.